Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just created this home page of my hostel management system project. If you are not seen my previous video, just go to description and check out the link. In this video, I'm going to create a new JFrame for this manage room part. So let us start. Let me close this application and let me create a new JFrame for that new JFrame form. And here we just need to write manage room. Okay, clicking on finish. And you can see form has been created. Let me make it as 700 500 the size of this form, and let me save it. And first we are going to remove min, max and close button from this form. So here I'm just moving to undecoded this one, and let me select this, let me close this. Okay, after that first we are going to insert here label. Okay, let me make it as add new room, and let me go to the properties of this and let me make it as bold 20, and we are also changing the font of this, so making it is at this one. Okay, let me close for this. After that, here we are inserting a button for that to close this form, and let me go to the properties and is selecting an image. That one is close all form png image, and let me read this text. I'll remove this text from this one. Okay, and let me place it here. Okay, and after that we will insert a table here. Okay, and let me decrease the size of this table, and let me check out the size of this form. 700 and 500 we are setting for that. Let me make it a little bit up. After that we are again setting to size to 500. Okay, after that we one by one we are going to insert. The first one is for add new room, so we need here a label. So let me place it a label here, and in this I'm just writing room number. Okay, after that here we need a text field. Okay, after text field we need another label. That one is for the activate and deactivate. After that here we need a checkbox, so let me place it here. And at last we also need a button to save this. Okay, so let me select this all and make it as bold 14, going to the properties and making it as bold 14. Okay, just close this. Okay, let me make it a little bit right. After that we are increasing the size of little bit this. Okay, and let me read this text and remove this. Okay, after that let me make it a little bit right, and let me read this text, and here I'm just writing activate or deactivate wait. Okay, and in the checkbox we are just writing yes. Okay, and let me make it a little bit right, and in the button we are inserting a png image. That one is our save png image, and in this I'm just writing here edit text, and let me write here save. Okay, let me make it a little bit right, and after that we just need here a separator. Okay, it's changed to 780. No, this one should be 700. Okay, after that here we need a separator, so I'm just getting it from the swing menu, and let me place it here. Okay, let me increase the size of this, making it as 700. Okay, after adding room, the next is for the update and delete any room. So for that we are inserting here another label. Okay, let me read this text and making it as update and delete room. Okay, and again we are making it as bold 20, and we are also changing the color of the font of this. Okay, selecting this one. Okay, just close this. After that, we need here room. The first we are using here to display the room number label. We are using room number. Okay, room number. After that, here we just need a text field. This one. Okay, let me increase a little bit size, and after that we just need here another label activate for the activate and deactivate. Let me read this. Let me make it as activate or deactivate. Okay. After that, we need here another checkbox. So here I'm just selecting this, and here we also need two buttons. The first button is for the update, and the second button is for delete. Okay. So let me select this all, and let me make it as bold 14. Go to the properties and making it as bold 14. Okay, just close this. Now one by one we are going to insert icon for this. So here I'm also using save png image. Okay, and let me edit this text and let me write here for the update. Okay, and in this I'm just using delete png image. Delete png image. Okay, let me read this text and write here delete. Okay, and in this checkbox we just need to write here yes, and we are also need to edit this text and remove this, and let me make it a little bit right. After that we also need to increase a little bit size of this. Okay, and let me make it a little bit and we also need here one more button. That one is for the search. Okay, we forget that, not to worry. Let me place it here. Let me go to the properties of this and let me select a search button. Okay, and let me make it as a search, and let me also increase the size of this button. Let me make it as bold 14. Okay, just close this, and you can see update part has been also completed. So let me check out the form size. Is it equal to 700 and 500? Okay, after that we again need here a separator. So let me place a separator here. Okay, and let me increase the size to the max of this form. So you can see this part update and delete part is also completed. Now we have to display only the all rooms. So here we just need to display label with let me make it as all rooms, and let me go to the properties and making it as bold bold 20, and we are also changing the font to this one. Okay, just close this. Let me make it a little bit up. So first we are going to change the layout of this form. So we are making it as absolute layout. After that we are decreasing the size of this form is to 500. Okay, and let me increase the size of this table a little bit down. Okay, after that we just need to do is we just need to move to the table content section, and in this we are moving to the column, and first we delete one row column from here, and after that we are just deleting the title one and just renaming it as number. This one is for the number, and the next we are just deleting here and making it as activate. Okay, and after that we also deleting for the third and just setting for room status. Okay, let me close this, and you can see it gets changes. After that we have to move to the properties of this form and setting the location where this form will be open. So for that we are just moving to this one location and just click on it, and for the x-axis we are setting for the 480, and for the y-axis I'm just writing 150. Okay, just close this, and we also need to insert a background image for this page. So I'm just selecting for this, and here I'm just selecting the icon. That one is our page background image, and just close this. Let me place it perfectly on this form. Okay, and just double click on this form, and you can see there's a label name. Just delete it and save it. You can see our fronted part has been completed. Now we also need to connect this page with our home page. So we just need to move it on the home page. Okay, and here we just need to double click on this, and you can see we move to the button one, and here we just need to write new manage room. You can see this one dot set visible. You just need to write here true. Okay, now let me run this and let me check it out that the color changes is working or not when form will be open. So let me click on this. You can see form has been open, and when we close on this button, the button default color will be show. Okay, we did not write the codes for this also, so we also need to write the set visible false. So let me double click on this, and let me write here set visible okay false. So let me again run this form home page. Okay, let me go for it. And you can see when we close this, you can see automatically the color of this button it reset, or you can say default color it will changes to this. Okay, so it's working. So let me close this. Now we have to write the codes for the backend of the manage room. So let's start. Now first we just need to add jar file in this project. So I'm just moving, and here you can see Mysql JDBC driver. You can see, and just click on this add library. You can see this one is adding, and you can see this one is added in jar file in our project. After that we just need to create a package in this project. So I'm just creating a package which renaming it as project. Okay, and in this I'm creating a connection provider class, connection provider. Okay, clicking on finish. You can see class has been created. Now the first we are import java.sql. Okay, after that we just need to create here a method public static connection getCon method. Okay, and in this we are just writing try catch block, catch exception e. Okay, in try block we just need to write class dot for name. In this we just need to write com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. Okay, and after that we need to create connections. So connection con equals to driver manager this one dot get connection con, this one we are selecting, and in this we are just writing jdbc double after that we just need to write mysql. I'm using mysql, that's why I'm writing this. And after that local host port number 3306. Okay, after that we just need to write the database name. So here first we need to create a database. So I'm just moving here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is my password of MySQL. After that we just need to create a database, create database, and I'm just making it as Hostel. Database name is Hostel. Okay, you can see Hostel has been created. Now let me use this. Okay, and let me write here the Hostel database name. After that we just need to write the username of our database. That one is default name is root. After that we just need to write the password. So my password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, And after this we just need to return the connection. So for that, return con, I'm just writing here, and if any error occur, in that case we are just returning here null. Okay, null. You can see all the errors get automatically resolved. After that, we just need to again move to the manage page, and moving to the source. First we are going to create two methods. Okay, before creating, we also need to create a table here. So let me create a table. So create table and renaming it as room. Okay, and in this we are just creating a field column number where I'm taking it as 10. Let's take it at, and making it as primary key. Every room number should be unique. That's why we are using that primary key where. After that, we just activation status. So I'm just taking it as 50, and room status, and we are also taking it as where 50. Okay, let me save it. Let me run this, and you can see table has been created. And let me check out the description of that table. Okay, and we just created the room table. So you can see the room number, you can say, room activation, room status, you can see here, the primary on all, you can see. Now here we are moving again, and here I'm just creating public. And first method we are going to create here is public void clear. This one is used to clear all the fields in our form, you can say. So j text field 1 dot set text, I'm just setting the text is null, you can say nothing. And we are just also doing same for the j text field 2 dot set text. In this I'm just also writing nothing. And after that we just making it a j checkbox dot set selected, we are making it as false. Okay, let me copy this and let me paste it here, and let me change the checkbox to. After that, we are j text field 2. Let me check out the field. So this field color is also changed whenever it will show. For that we are also making it as j text field 2 dot set background, and in this we just need to write new button, new j button, sorry, new j button. Okay, j button dot get foreground. Okay, this one. And after that we just need to, okay, this one is for, okay, sorry, we just need to write here j background for that. So let me remove this background. Okay, let me remove this. After that, j text field 2 dot set background. Okay, this one is for foreground, we are using foreground, last one. Okay, in this new j button, okay, dot get for, okay, this one. So the color of these fields automatically get to the default color. That's why we are using this. And one more thing will happen, that we set editable true. Okay, just follow the video. Okay, and this part is for the clear button. Okay, after that we also need to display the table detail. So for that, public void table details, I'm just creating a method table details. Okay, and in this we just need to, before the writing code in this, first we need to import a package import java.sql.this. Okay, after that we also need to import a project package with a connection provider class in it. After that we just need to write here default, okay, default table model, you can see this one. And after that DTM, we are taking a variable, you can say, or object, and in this we are again writing default table model, this one. And after that J table one we are taking, and dot get model, okay, this one we are selected. And we are setting DTM dot set raw count to 0. It means that we are first deleting all the details in our table. Suppose when page load, it having so many details in this, so it will delete all the details when this part will be executed. Okay, like we add anything, then this will delete all the details, previous rows from your table, and next code will be add all the details. So let me write default, and we just need to use same this one, okay, this one, okay. And here I'm just writing try catch block, try, let me write also catch, maybe again the exception will generated. For that case I'm just writing e, okay. In the try we just need to create a connection con equals to, we having connection provider class, okay, we already created, okay, connection provider class, this one, dot get con, okay. After that we just need to statement st equals to con dot create statement. After that we just need result set to display the result, r equals to con dot create, oh sorry, we just need to write here st dot execute query, this one. And in this we just need to write select star from room. We already created the table, okay. And after that we just need to display these details in our table. So for that, while rs dot next, and in this we just need to write mod, you can see DTM, this one, DTM, you can say DTM dot add raw, you can see this one we are selecting. And in this we just need to write new object, in this just delete this. And after that we are making writing a bracket, after that rs dot get string, and we just need to write here one, we just need to display first. After that we just need to write for the rs dot get string, okay, for the 2. And at last rs dot get string 3, okay. And in this way we can display all the details of the room in this table, okay. After that we just need to write the code. And one more thing, any exception generated, in that case we also need to display. So jframe pan dot show message null here I'm just setting, okay. After that we just need to write the code to save data. So just moving to the event action performed, okay, add new room part, we are just writing the codes for that. After that we just need to write here string, first taking the room name number equals to j text field 1 dot get text. And after that we just need to take activation status. So for that activate, okay. After that you're taking a string room status equals to not booked. Initially our all room status is not booked when we insert any or add new room. Okay, that's why we take in here new, not booked. And we need to take the details like J checkbox. We just need to select is selected. Is selected, it means that the value of activation is yes. So let me make it as activate equals to double quotes. In this we are just writing yes, and in else condition activate equals to no. Okay, you can see. And now we are going to write the try catch block here. Catch exception e. Okay, in this we are just writing connection. First we are creating connection con equals to connection provider dot get con method in it, and after that we are using prepared statement ps equals to con dot prepared okay, prepared statement. So here I selected this one, and in double quotes we just need to write the query. So I'm just writing insert into room and values. I'm just taking it as 3 question mark. We just need to insert 3 values in our table. So that's because we are using 3 question mark. After that we just need to write ps dot set string. This one we just selected, and in this first we are just writing 1. The first question mark we are just inserting the value our room number, this one. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it 2 times. Okay, after that let me change it to 3. Okay, and after that the second number is for the activate, so this one. And for the last we are having room status. Okay, after that we just need to save it. So for that ps dot execute update we just need to write execute. Okay, cute update. Okay, this one. And after that we also need to display message. So for that we are just showing the message null successfully updated message successfully. Message. And one more thing, when we save here, then this table also need to update. So for that we are calling the method. That one is a table method, table details method. And one more thing, we also need to clear these 2 fields, this one and this one. So for that I'm just calling clear method, you can see. And in the catch we are also writing j option pan. If any error occur, in that case we also need to display a message j option pan dot show message null. Okay, I'm just writing. Now let me run this from home page and try to see. Let me check it out that it's working or not. Okay, let me click on this and let me go for the 001 room number. Let me make it as yes. Let me click on save. Successfully updated. When we click on OK, you can see automatically all the details from this field it gets removed, and you can see the room number 001 active status yes. Let me add one more so that it will show no. Successfully updated. Let me click on OK. You can see 002 no booked. It means that it's working. Okay, so now we have to write the codes. Let me move to design section. Let me write the codes for the search. So we just need to want to search any room number which is not booked. So let me double click on this. We are moving to the event of that button. After that we just need to write here a string, and here we just need to write room number. Okay, just take it as a room number equals to j text field. This one is a text field too dot get the text. I'm just taking Let me make it a little bit up. Okay. After that, we are taking a variable int I equals to 0, and after that we are just writing try catch block. Catch, in this I'm just writing exception. Okay. In the try section, we just need to write connection con equals to connection provider class dot get con. In this, we just need to write a statement st equals to con dot create statement result set rs equals to st dot execute query, this one. And in this, we just need to write select star from room where where number is equals to room number. Okay, this one. After that, we just executing while. We just need to write rs dot next. Okay, this one. And one more thing, there is a variable I is equals to 0 we are taking here, and here in this while section I am making it as I is equals to 1. It means that the room number is exist. When I set is I equals to 1, it means that that room number is exist. If after the executing this part of the code we still I is equals to 0, so it means that the room number is not available. So here I'm just writing I is equals to 0. In that case, we display a pop-up message j option pan dot show message. I'm just writing null, and in this we just need to pop-up message room number does not exist. Okay, you can see. After that, we also need to call a clear method which will clear all our fields. Okay, and after that we need to write the codes in the while. Okay, so after that we are just writing here if rs dot get string, we are taking the string from field number 3, which actually the show the status dot equals. Okay, equals booked. Okay, in double quotes, let me write this. You can see we are making it as any room is booked. In that case, we just need to show a pop-up message here dot show message null. Here I'm just writing, and in this we just writing this room is booked. Okay, pop-up message. After that we also need to clear. Okay, if condition is completed, and if that room is not booked, in that case we just need to do is in condition we are writing jtext field. First we are making jtext field dot set editable false. We are making it false because we are the user or admin cannot change it. And after that we are changing the color of text field to, and setting the set of foreground. We are making the color change of that ground. Okay, and we are making it as red, and jtext field 2 we are making the set background color is to pink. Okay, so let me make it as pink. After that we just need to write if we just need to update the status, activation status. So for that we just need to write if rs dot get string, we just need to display, you can say string, this one, to okay, Let me open this, and I'm talking about activation status. It is equals to yes. It means that our checkbox should be selected. So here we just need to write yes, yes, and in this case J checkbox 2 dot set selected true. I'm just writing. Let me move a little bit up. After that else condition J checkbox 2, here I'm just setting set selected. If else condition, it means that the it not selected. Okay, in that case we are just writing the false. Okay, after that you can see this part is also completed. So let me go for the search. Okay, and one more thing, let me select this table from room, and let me go for search. Let me make it as room status update. This update room set room number status, set room status is equals to booked. Okay, and where number is equals to double quotes 001. Okay, we make it as this one is as booked, but in next video I will make it as by program, not to worry about that. And so let me run this and let me go for the search. Okay, let me go for the manage room. Let me try to search. Okay, it's not loading. Okay, I get that why its table is not loading. So let me close this. Let me do that first. We just need to go to the manage room, and in this we can see there here we just need to write. It means that in the page loading we just need to call this table. So table details, you can see here. Let me run it again. You can see it will started working. Okay, let me click on manage room. You can see automatically the table details can be displayed. And let me go to for the search 001 room number. Let me go for search. You can see this room is booked. It means that we are not allowed to change the status of this room. So let me go for the 002. We are not allowed because this is disabled. Okay, so let me again this, and let me go for the 002. Okay, let me go for the search. You can see automatically the color of this field, it gets changes. Okay, now we have to go for the update button. So let me close this and let me exit this. Okay, now again we are moving to design section of a manage room, and here we just need to write the codes for the update. So let me go for the double click and let me move a little bit up. Now in this we just need to write that string, and again we are taking room number J text field, we are taking from the text field 2 dot get text. Okay, after that we are taking again string activate variable. Okay, and after that we are taking it from J checkbox value, we are taking it from checkbox 2 is selected. In that case the value should be activate should be yes. Okay, in double quotes yes. Okay, and else J checkbox okay activate should be no, equals to no, just writing no. Okay, after that we just need to execute try catch block, and in this I'm just writing exception E, and in the try block we just need to write connection con equals to connection provider dot get con. After that we just need to write statement statement st equals to con dot create statement. Okay, this one, and st dot execute query. in double quotes, we just need to write the update query for that. Update room set activate equals to single quotes. After that, with double plus plus activate, here just writing activate, where number is equals to room number, this one. Okay, and after that we also need to display pop-up message. So I'm just writing here J option pan dot show message. I'm just writing null. After that we just need to write here successfully updated. Okay, and after that we also need to call two methods. That one is for the detail. Okay, we did not double quotes, that's why it's showing error. Okay, after that we just need to call table details method in it, table details. After that we also need to call the clear method. Okay, and any exception generated in that case we also need to display a message. So J option pan dot show message null. Okay, and we also need to write the codes for delete. So I'm just moving to the event of that button, and here we just need to write the code. So first we need to copy as it is code of this. No. Okay, let me copy, paste it here, and after that we just remove this all part, string activate and all, and we are just taking it from the text field 2, and we also need to delete this part of, okay, this one, and here we just need to write delete from room where number is equals to double quotes room number, and here we just need to change the text in here. So we just need to write deleted. Okay, after that all things are same. Okay, so delete part is also completed, you can say. So let me execute this, or you can say all the part of manage room is also completed. So let me run and let me show you. Okay, let me go for the manage room, and let me try to search for the room number 003 first, which are not exist. You can see room number does not exist, a pop-up message. Now let me go for the search. Okay, we are not able to write. It's set to, maybe set it as to, let me go to the section. This, sorry, I done a mistake in this manage room. In the clear method we just need to write JText will set irritable, we just need to write here true. Okay, so just delete it and make it as true. After that we will execute it again, so we don't face any problem. Let me go for the manage room, let me try to search 002, let me go for the search. You can see it's selected, and here we are not able to edit this, so I'm just making it as yes, update, clicking okay. Cannot issue data manipulation execute query. Okay, we just need to write, okay, I get that what we are, why we are getting error. So again we need to move to the manage room. Here in this section, actually this one is in our, let me go for the design, and in the update section double click on it, and here you can see the execute query. We just need to change it to update. Okay, update this one. Okay, after that it will work. There's also done a mistake in this pay button. Double click on this, and in this update we also need to make it as update. Okay, and let me run it again. Okay, so let me move to the home page, manage room. So let me search for the 002. Let me go for the search, and let me make it as yes. Let me click on update. Successfully updated. You can see a pop-up message. Let me click on OK. You can see automatically the status of 002 is yes. Get changes. And let me try to delete this 002. Let me go for the search again, and let me try to delete this. Successfully deleted. When we click on OK, the table 002 will be removed. Let me click on OK. You can see automatically get resolved. So this is all about the manage room part of my hostel management system project. In the next video, I'm going to create a new JFrame for the new student part. So I hope you guys like this video. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.